Assalamualaikum and very good days. My name is Nurul Atika binti Syamsuddin. My matric number is B0118100009. For this project, my title is an ultrasonic monkey repeller for banana plantation. In this video, I will present my introduction, literature review and methodology. For the background of study, in recent years, wild animals are a special challenge for the farmers throughout the world. Animals like wild boars, elephants, birds and monkeys, insects, cause serious damage to crops by animals running over the field and trampling over the crops. It causes the financial problem to the farmers. Some attempts for farmers to expel the pests by making scarecrows and others, but less effective. In real life, it must vary that is every person to person hearing will be different. Similarly, each and every animal has its own hearing range. Now, over the entire hearing range, only in a certain range, known as most sensitive hearing range. One can hear clearly and intensely. In this range, the sound with the faintest and highest intensity can be heard precisely. Ultrasonic sound creates repellent and noisy climate which repels animals. In this device, ultrasonic wave, the unique spectrum is used to repel animals such as monkey. Those can damage the crops. Motivation. In the India agriculture, farmers are facing a lot of difficulties because of the increasing monkey that have been really damaging several types of crop covering over 15,000 hectares of agriculture land in Jammu division of the state. In Jammu division, major crops like maize, wheat, rice and vegetable crops covering over 15,596 hectares of agriculture land falling in more than 250 villages of Jammu, Katwa, Udhampur and Riasi districts get smashed yearly by monkeys. Minister of Agriculture G.H. Mir told the State Legislative Assembly here, as far as the agriculture sector is concerned, in Jammu division, monkeys were the main causes of substantial loss to the fruit crops like mango, guava, pear, grapes, citrus fruit, lychee, sandy pear, peach, plum and apricot in an agriculture area of more than 96,384 hectares of land. The estimate damage is causes to 9,426 metric tons of fruit production at an estimate cost of Rupee 4.72 crore. In Perak, the farmer also have difficulties with a monkey. A group of monkey not only damage crops and stole food, but also the animals will come in group and act aggressively, causing farmers to feel insecure and scared. Of Kampung Tiri Gantong Perak, the crops such as bananas, sweet potatoes and lemongrass are often uprooted by the animals so that he does not have time to feel the result of his crops, and the monkeys disturbing the animal brings a security threat to the farmers. Single crop is cultivated for commercial production of bananas and prolonged supply. Crops distance is 2.5 meter and 2.5 meter with a density of 1600 trees per hectare. At a distance of 3 times 3 meter density reach 1100 trees per hectare. Many complained that the crops were completely cultivated by a gang of wild monkeys, even though various means had been made to drive them away. Sometimes, before we can harvest the fruit of our crops, the monkey has swept away the fruit. Many people try steps to get rid of monkeys, such as tiger urine gel, tiger statutes, and so on. But most of them are not effective at all. Problem statement. The research from previous studies, farmers use poison as step to deal with the pest. The use of the poison gives effect on the health and body of farmers as well as long-term effects. Besides that, various pests such as monkeys cause harmful effect to the crops. They can carry some disease with them which in turn affect the total production. They also affect the quality of the agriculture's commodities. Therefore, an ultrasonic monkey repelling system is to be met by using electronic circuit comprising various components. For the objective, first, to design a system suitable for farm monitoring and monkey repellent. Second, to test the effectiveness and analyze the different effects of ultrasonic frequency module to the monkey. The scope of this project focused on monkey in banana farm with area 1600 meter per square. Focus on using ultrasonic sensor to produce variable frequency. Design monkey deterrent system for farm using Arduino as a microprocessor. Literature review. For the microcontroller, I have been studying about the Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno uses the Atmega 3 to add programmable integrated circuit with 6 analog inputs and 14 digital input-output pins. Arduino Uno operates at 5 volt, which is acceptable in most sensor devices. And for the PIC microcontroller is the first RISC-based microcontroller fabricated in CMOS complementary metal oxide semiconductor that uses separated bus for instruction and data, allowing simultaneous access of program and data memory. I also studied about the Raspberry Pi, and it consists of 3 stages for animal repellent. We are using radio frequency identification for detecting the animal enter into the farmland, so it has multi-usage like detection, counting animals in the forest, and also track the animal using GPS. For the sensor, passive infrared sensor, PIR, the reading of the sensor will be processed by the microcontroller and output depend on the setup. The PIR sensor, it is able to detect both the hot body and cold body instruction. PIR sensor detects a human being moving around within approximately 10 meters from the sensor. Ultrasonic sensors are used. The modules include ultrasonic transmitter, receiver, and control circuit. When an electrical pulse of high voltage is applied to the ultrasonic transducer, it vibrates across a specific spectrum of frequencies and generates a burst of sound wave. Whenever any obstacle comes ahead of the ultrasonic sensor, the sound wave will reflect back in the form of echo and generates an electric pulse. Internet of Things (IoT). Node MCU is an open source LUA-based firmware developed for ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip, which is known as ESP8266 Development Board Kit. It is suitable for wireless communication that can upload the data of the sensors passed from Arduino microcontroller into the internet cloud so that it can be accessed remotely within the smartphone application. Methodology. Firstly, identify the problem statement. Secondly, understand the objective of the project. Then, brainstorm ideas to solve the problem. Finalize an idea. Develop prototype. When the successful prototype, then perform field tests and get result. Then refine design. This system consists of 3 consecutive layers. The first outer layer consists of a sensor placed at a far distance from the conserved area. When the obstacle enters the working range of sensors, the sensor sends through a perversion created by the obstacle and identify whether the obstacle is monkey or not. When the sensor confirms the presence of monkey by matching the voltage created in the sensor and the given 3 host value in the Arduino microcontroller, which is used as an interface for the sensor, warning repelling system and all other components. When the monkey's presence is confirmed, the approximate distance of the monkey from the preserved area will be displayed in the LCD and the relay for the warning system will be switched on. The warning system is used to make the people around the area to be alert and warn them to be safe from the monkeys. When the monkey moves toward the preserved area, crossing the first sensor layer, the second layer will begin operating. The sensor 2 will sense the presence of monkeys as like a sensor 1 and the LCD will display the status of the monkey. When the particular voltage created the sensor match the 3 host value, the relay for the repelling system 1 will be turned on. The sound of the ultrasonic frequency is given as the repelling system 1, by which the monkey changes its motion direction toward rest. If the monkey is still coming in the same preserved area, which is sensed by the sensor, the third sensor, repelling system 2 will be turned on. List of experiment. Test the Arduino and the ultrasonic sensor. Test the ultrasonic sensor with various frequency. Test the PIR and ultrasonic sensor detect the presence of the monkey and send the input signal to the controller. The LCD and monitor display the presence of monkey. Test the ultrasonic frequency to the monkey. Test the effectiveness of automatic repeller to the monkey. For the expected result or early result, we can see that animal has different frequency range. For the monkeys, the range of frequency is 10 to 35 kHz. Ultrasonic signal testing by making several vibrations of ultrasonic frequency and several variations of ultrasonic frequency were tested. For the future work, to analyze the effectiveness of the different frequency to the monkey, to improve the monitoring system, the test and effectiveness of the ultrasonic frequency to the monkey. For the conclusion, this project is very useful and can help farmers save the crop and can drive monkeys away from crops. Many additions and improvements need to be made to obtain more detailed information. That's all from me. Thank you.